you're into meal prepping and you're not making burrito bowls, what are you doing? Probably wasting your life and bringing shame upon your family, but that's okay. I'm here to help, all right? Today we're gonna make some chipotle chicken burrito bowls. Healthy, affordable, they taste great, they're fun to make. So get your Tupperwares ready. Tupperware? Tupperwares. Let's get started. For the black beans, we're going to chop up an onion, as well as a couple bell peppers, whatever color you like, 3 cloves of garlic, and a jalapeno. This is going to pack these black beans with a bunch of flavor. Cook them all in a pan with some olive oil. Make sure you add the garlic in a little bit later, otherwise it'll burn and that's depressing as fuck. Boom, there you go. To a large pot, add a couple cans of black beans, along with some diced chilies, a little bit of oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and a touch of cinnamon. Also gonna add some salt and a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. Add your veggies back in, along with a little bit of butter and some water. And we're gonna cook those on low while we get started with the chicken. I start off with probably the easiest chicken marinade you'll ever do. It's just 2 ingredients, chipotle and adobo and garlic. That's all you need really. So we're just gonna blend it up nice and fine, mix it with our chicken, and we'll be good. Now, if you don't like spicy food and you'd rather go hang out at Weenie Hut Junior's, just take some of the peppers out, all right? It is a little spicy, but I love spice, you know? I actually dated some girls who didn't like spicy food, and emphasis on the ED. Not erectile dysfunction. ED as in dated, we broke up because they didn't like spicy food. Next up, 2 cloves of garlic, boom, boom, and we blend. If it's not blending really well and it's too thick, just add a little water to it. Also gonna add some salt. I should have done that earlier. Back on you go, bucko. When we're done, we get this nice, beautiful, thick marinade. Smells amazing, like a campfire. I swear, man, so good. So this is a little over 3 pounds of chicken thighs. It's 7 of them. You don't have to use that much, but we're meal prepping, right? Might as well make a bunch. Skills, so many skills. Add that in there. Graceful. And we just give it a nice massage and we'll pop it in the fridge. All right, let's talk about rice. People get all nervous when they're cooking rice. Oh, I gotta get a rice cooker because it comes out all sticky. Check it out. You can cook rice the exact same way you cook pasta. It's really easy. We're just gonna boil some water. You don't have to measure it out, right? Just like pasta. We're gonna add some salt to it. Then we're gonna take 3 cups of rinsed rice and we're gonna add it straight in. So bring it back up to a boil, and then we're just gonna let it do its thing. We'll try it incrementally to make sure we get the right consistency, and then we strain it and we're done. When the rice is done, add a little cilantro, a little bit of lime. What's better than that? Come on guys, we're killing it. Cook the chicken in a pan with some olive oil. You may need to deglaze the pan with a little bit of water as you're cooking because the chipotle sticks to it, and that's a good thing because it's gonna add this nice thick coating of flavor to our chicken. All right, gang, we did it. We got our cilantro lime rice, our chipotle chicken, and our black beans. Let's give these a little try. They're not the most aesthetically pleasing thing in the world, but that's not what matters, all right? It's flavor. That's what we're here for. Oh, man. Silky, smooth, packed with flavor, just like it says in my Tinder bio. Hell yeah. So let's bust the Tupperware out. We're going to get it all packed up. We're going to be good for the whole week, baby. Who's better than you? Nobody. There you have it. We got 6 protein-packed meals, healthy, affordable, easy to make. We're balling out, we're doing eccentric things. So thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time. Like and subscribe.